everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. In this video of the educational series, How do we use flags and pennants in Bitcoin and altcoin? We will analyze bull flags, bear flags and bear pennants in this way. Now let's turn to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you can see, here there is a flag formation right in this part. As you can see, friends, we can say that when it breaks above this pennant, in an upward trend as high as its pole, there could be an equal amount of upward movement. As you can see here, there has already been an upward movement. There is also a small pennant here. Let me show you that right away. As you can see here, there has been another formation right in this area. And following that, there has been quite a rise, friends. We can analyze the flags and pennants in this way. Again, friends, there is a flag formation here. And as you can see, when this flag formation breaks below right in this area, it represents our bear flag in a downtrend. As you can see, there is another drop coming, friends, and it is testing those areas before continuing on its path. Again, in this way, we can use flags and pennants to analyze where the target might be in a downtrend or uptrend, meaning we can identify potential buying zones. Instead of waiting for the price to drop to just below the pole, we can make purchases at around half of that level or 15% above it. For example, in a downtrend or while selling, we can determine the target of the flag formed here in the uptrend. And already in these areas, if we make a sale in these regions, for example, if we sell at half here, our chances of buying lower increase. Again, there is a flag trend here. Friends, we can determine buying zones or selling zones in this way. Where the targets could be, you can look at these flags and pennants on the 15-minute chart. Here you can take a look at the 1-hour chart. For example, there has been a pennant formation in Bitcoin right here. Look at this part here. As you can see, it is like this. And we can draw it like this here. As you can see, the target here shows us that the target of this pennant is 60,000. In this way, friends, for example, we can sell around 50,9,500 and buy a little lower. Flags and pennants clearly show us where to buy and sell. We are continuing the educational series. Friends, see you in the next video.